Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of coding. Whether you're a passionate coder with prior experience or a beginner, we have the perfect guide to help you unlock the potential of programming. Let us share the key to unlocking the world of coding, making it not just understandable but enjoyable. Introducing our passport to a world filled with engaging step-by-step lessons, exercises, and activities with KaiBot and Kainundrum. Designed specifically for grades K-8 students and teachers in homes and schools. Did you know that hands-on coding isn't just effective, it's a game changer? Studies reveal that active engagement with coding leads to a deeper understanding of coding concepts. Learning to code with KaiBot in Kainundrum involves 3 stages. In the first stage, learning starts with hands-on experiences at a concrete level. Learners observe, analyze, and walk through code sequences of cards. Then use KaiBot to scan and execute these code sequences. Throughout this process, learners are encouraged to learn through their mistakes and productive struggling. Rather than simply being told what to do, learners are guided through interactive instruction. In the second stage, learners experience the transition from concrete to abstract. We enter the world of blended coding by pairing KaiBot with Kainundrum, a free virtual world on computers and tablets. Here, scanned cards are automatically converted into block-based coding and Python within Kainundrum, and you'll see KaiBot's actions mirrored in the virtual world. Finally, in the third stage, learners make the transition to fully online coding, creating more advanced programs, designing games, and sharing creations with friends in Kainundrum. Excited to get started? Visit our website to get your very own copy of the activity book along with the entire starter pack bundle. The bundle includes the K-5 activity book, the KaiBot, advanced coding cards, and 10 Kai tiles, everything you need to begin your coding journey. And that's not all. This activity book guides students to predict and record in the book before checking and adapting the code when coding or teaching the KaiBot. We encourage journaling as a way for students to express their thoughts in their own words. New journaling entries record their evolving knowledge. Predicting is a higher-order thinking skill that enhances learning. When you get the first steps in coding through mathematical game-based learning activity book, you will also receive a PowerPoint for teaching and training for grades K-8, both in personal workshops and webinars, as well as a follow-up outline after workshops. So get on board, unlock the secret to understanding first steps in coding through the starter pack for KaiBot to Kainundrum.